Okay, so talking about having good topic sentences in your paper and what that means it's the first sentence in each of your body paragraphs. It should directly relate to the thesis. It tells the reader what that paragraph is about. So these should be identified beforehand, they're planned out, they're organized. Okay, the ideas are clear and focused. These are your reasons that support the thesis and entire essay. I'm going to give you some top secret information here. Just one moment. These are planned and carefully chosen before you write. Okay, so top secret information about your topic sentences. I should be able to read only your topic sentences and know what the main ideas of your essay are. I wouldn't get any details, but I would definitely get the main ideas. So I should just be able to read one sentence, the first sentence in each of your body paragraphs, and know exactly what your main ideas were. That's how well these should be organized and clear and available for the reader. So here is an example from a student. Here's their three-pronged thesis. It is not always perfect, but the diversity, individual stories, and contributions to society are what allow this life to be considered as a poetic being. Okay, so there's their thesis, right? We might not understand everything that they're talking about because we haven't read the whole essay, but let's examine their topic sentences. So within that first body paragraph, this is their topic sentence. The diversity of not only this nation, but of all countries is what makes this world so great. So going right back to their thesis, you can see that's the first idea that they mentioned, diversity, something about diversity and how it affects life and how life is poetic from that. So yes, their topic sentence in this case is right on track. Now we have topic sentence 2. A key element to the poetic nature of this world is the story of each individual. Topic sentence 3. Along with differences comes unique contributions to society that can change it for the better. So each of these go right along with what they pointed out in their thesis: diversity, individual stories, and contributions to society. In other words, what is the main idea of your paragraph? That topic sentence is going to state that main idea. So here's our last example. We have a paragraph here on Canada. Here's our lovely topic sentence. There are 3 reasons why Canada is one of the best countries in the world. Okay, and then without reading anything else, we'll know that they're going to talk about 3 reasons. Just skimming the paragraph here, we see that they have their first reason is about the healthcare system. Their second reason is about a high standard of education. And then we find a third reason, which is that Canada's cities are clean and efficiently managed. So therefore, Canada is a desirable place to live, or one of the best countries in the world. So this concludes our session on topic sentences. Remember our top secret information. I should be able to only read your topic sentences and know the main idea of your essay. So make sure you've thought about what each paragraph is about and write a good sentence as the main idea for that paragraph.